Hi friends, welcome to another photo walk. Today we are in Venice Beach. Let's take some photos. Hi wife.
Hi James.
How's it going?
You're gonna get hit by a bicyclist.
Oh, heavens.
Hello.
Hi.
Sorry, tricyclist.
Cool. I don't know if you guys have ever seen a Venice Beach photo walk in January, but this is it. Still a lot of people roaming around. One of the things though that I think will be beneficial about there being less people than if it was the summer is that there'll be more separation between people. There won't be so many that's hard to get them out of the background.
Practically named Nipsey Hussle. How about that? Which album?
I had to visit this place. Nice.
All this weed is making my head hurt.
One thing about skateboarders is they do the same thing over and over because they're trying to get a trick right. It's just so cool because you have this combination between the action of the people skateboarding and then the geometry of the park.
Oh
you know?
yeah.
It takes like extreme focus to pick a spot and stick to that spot and wait for the right thing to happen. Oh man, one of the biggest enemies is just following somebody.
Yeah.
Because if you do that, you will catch them doing something that's action oriented, but you'll have a bad composition because you're just following them around.
Right.
So like I'm really loving the curves of the bowl right there. So I'm just trying to hang out there and let things happen in that area.
The guy with the red beanie is really good.
He is, yeah, I've been watching him.
Pivots from his hand, which is really cool looking. Do you want me to get like a little wind thingy for your mic?
No, that's fine. I'm not worried about it. Oh my gosh. Let's get that palm tree out of his head. Oh, sweet. Super good. Super good.
Nice.
I switched to 2.8 and it was a good choice.
I told you that like the second you were born. You never listened to me.
Hey, you shut your mouth, okay?
Huh?
You shut your mouth. I have retractable balls, so what now? I'm hugging a pole right now. Okay, this has been fantastic, and I could stay here all day, but another good idea is to move along. Okay, now I'm back in the marketplace area. How's Venice Beach treating you so far?
I have a headache because of the marijuana, but other than that, great.
Cool. It's like there's no time to breathe because there's just so many opportunities.
Yeah.
It's like if you're missing shots, it's because you're trying to get other shots. The other thing about the skate park is you're just inundated. Like you don't know what to focus on. I almost got hit in the face by a bird. Okay, due to other schedule obligations, this photo walk shall end, and I will come back to the same spot tomorrow and take more photos. I'm back. It is the next day. I've had time to sleep on this location, which hopefully will prove helpful. Just like yesterday, I am on a tight schedule, so I'm going to try to be very efficient. Let's take some photos. Oh look, a tree. That's a great start. Much brighter today. It was cloudy yesterday, right?
A little bit. It was more stormy.
Ah.
Sure. And now it's the opposite, but still cold because winter follows us everywhere.
It's definitely better in all regards. I do love cloudy skies for street photography, but for this particular situation, I want a blue sky. That's the kind of look I'm after. Right.
Take a picture.
All right. Another street photographer or photojournalist. Not sure what he would call himself. He was trying to take a photo of this guy over here. He was saying I'm doing a story of how the homeless are roughing it in LA. Oh yeah, he's a street photographer. Getting right in there. I guess the guy noticed him. Didn't look like he was too happy about him taking his photo. They need a bass player. What's up, man? I like your sign. I got nothing for you, man.
I know.
Okay. I got worthless.
I'm a witness for you.
Okay.
What do you got going on here, buddy?
I don't know. I'm just taking some photos of
Oh,
it. I really don't know. I don't know.
thought you were
I
gonna,
just rolled up, so I don't know the context.
YouTube this shit or something.
Oh,
like,
no.
These motherfuckers park anywhere they
Yeah.
want.
Well, no, I am rolling my GoPro, but I'm just a street photographer.
Where you from?
Salt Lake City.
Oh, Utah, yeah.
Yeah.
No, people live here 24 hours a day,
Mhm.
and they roll up on them twice a week,
Yeah.
straight up. Just roll right up on them. What's going on? You know, you guys good. And he's probably also telling them you got to move all that shit to this side of the beach tomorrow.
Oh,
for
okay.
for the cleaning. And the trash man comes through with the cops,
Yeah.
and they throw all the shit, whatever they left. Sorry, all you had to do is move it over here
Yeah.
until they go through, and then you can put it right back.
Gotcha. So how long have you been here?
50 years.
50 years. What do you think about it?
I mean, it's sad, man. I'm shit. You gonna make me fucking cry. It's that bad.
Yeah.
There's $1 million fucking homes here, and people sleep in the fucking grass.
Yeah. Yeah. So what do you think it is? Why do you think they're out there?
It's amazing. You feel me?
Yeah.
You made a grown man cry
Yeah.
talking about fucking homeless people in the richest town in California. It's amazing. But it's everywhere.
Yeah.
I go everywhere in the world. I see it. What do you think?
I don't know. I mean, I think mental illness probably plays a huge role, and I want to see them get better. I want to see them find the resources, but I think they have to want to find the resources.
Let me tell you something. California has thousands of buildings that they pay $1 annual tax because the state owns them. There's your fucking answer right there.
Okay, so you think that they should
All
allow
they gotta do
the
is
homeless to
fucking-
stay in those buildings?
Yes,
Okay.
that's the answer right there.
Okay.
Thousands of fucking buildings in California. Thousands of them. Go talk to them, man.
Yeah.
They're not gonna
Yeah, I
fucking
know.
bite you.
No, I've spoken to quite a few.
I'm just saying.
Yeah, I love
Don't
talking to
get
those
me
guys.
wrong, man. You know, you can't run into the 30% that's just 100% by fucking choice, and drugs had a large part of what happened to their life and family.
Hey, that's another thing is a lot of these people, I feel like they never got the chance from their family.
No,
They just-
because you came from somewhere.
Yeah.
So you knew everybody that lived on your street, your neighborhood when you were a kid, didn't you?
Sure. I mean,
You
yeah.
rode bicycles,
Yeah.
skateboards with your friends.
Okay.
You called these motherfuckers your homies.
Yeah.
Where's their fucking homies?
Yeah. Interesting. All right. Well, I'll think about it, man. What was your name?
Chuck.
All right. I'm James. Pleasure to meet you, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thanks for telling me your thoughts, man. What's up?
My name is Kirk. Where you from?
I'm from Salt Lake City.
Oh, okay, Utah.
Yeah.
My name is Kirk. We're the Venice Homeless Shelter. We
All
feed,
right.
clothe, and house the 2,842 homeless people on the beach.
Okay.
We work through our Venice Beach.
Are you being
Police
closed?
Department. Huh?
You're being closed? Is that what you said? What'd you say?
We feed them, clothe them, and house them.
Oh, okay.
We have 2,848 homeless people on this beach. We feed them, clothe them, house them. We're out here asking folks to please help. Any donation.
I got nothing for you, man.
God bless you.
I wish you the best, all right? I think what you're doing is real nice. This has been one of my favorite parts about shooting in California is the palm trees. Yeah. Opening. Nice. So I wanted to have just the guy in the background with the mask on. And so when the guy in the foreground went away, that was an opening for me. I seized it like a tiger. A flying tiger. Wow. Well, I'm coming back here again.
I'd say.
Sorry I missed that shot, guys. Failed you.
Yeah, that would have been a really great shot, James. Really screwed the pooch on that one.
Well, friends, that is it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm back in Salt Lake City now. This photo walk took a long time to edit because I have a lot of other work on my plate, so I appreciate you guys being patient with me. I have another photo walk coming out from my trip to San Francisco recently. I'm excited to share that with you guys. And I also have another photo walk that I filmed after that back in Salt Lake City on a snowy day with my friend Eric. It was a collaborative photo walk. Excited to share that one with you guys too. If you have any questions about my process during this video, please feel free to comment below. I will engage with you. And also, you can find me on Instagram and Twitter at James the Red. I hope you have a lovely day. Goodbye.